Hi there! As a finance leader, it's likely you're on the lookout for innovative ways to grow your customer base. The best tool for that job is video. SundaySky's AI-powered video platform helps financial brands easily build videos that transform the customer experience and drive top-line growth. Imagine marketing videos that attract new customers, to onboarding programs that ease the burden on teams, to educational videos that inspire product adoption, and much more. Dozens of financial service brands trust SundaySky's platform to build and automate video at a massive scale. They see an increase in deposits, new card openings, contributions, and overall engagement, all from using video. Anyone can use the platform to create videos, even with no prior video experience. Marketers, customer experience teams, and product managers all use SundaySky to build videos in just hours and share them via any channel. Plus, our generative AI can take you from idea to brief to completed video in mere minutes. You can also use your data to tailor videos to a specific audience or to the individual viewer by inserting personalized elements into video content. Then, when the viewer presses play, the data is activated and the result is a stunning video that is up to date down to the very second. We'd be thrilled to have a chat about how SundaySky can help transform your customer journey. Click this button and book a demo now.